We have given set B, and B set has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have statement. This symbol means for all x. Let me write this. And next we have for all y, and x and y belong to set B. X squared plus y squared is less than 24. When we have this symbol, which means for all x, it means whatever you choose. 1, x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals 4. This inequality must be true. If I choose that x is equal, for example, 3, and y is equal 4, we will have x to second power. So we have 3 squared plus y is 4. 4 to second power is equal 3 to second power is 9 plus 4 to second power is 16. So this is equal 25. 25 is not less than 24, is not true inequality. So it means, because we found example for which this inequality is not true, it means that this statement is false. This is my solution.